Welcome everyone, I'm Matt Newman, live from Yellow Central. Let's talk HCL Digital Solutions. Today I'm going to provide you with a quick update on a number of fantastic developments in the digital solutions portfolio that have occurred in recent weeks, and then over the next few weeks I'll take a closer look at all of these topics in more detail. First, I wanted to remind everyone that we are now only a couple of months away from the exciting new release of HCL Notes and Domino version 12, the second major update to our favourite platform that has emerged from the HCL software stables in order to enable our existing customers and partners to provide us with feedback on some awesome new capabilities that are going to be included in the next release. HCL have enabled access to the Notes and Domino beta for all existing customers and partners to download from your HCL software portal. We've not only enabled the download on your HCL software portal, we've also launched our beta feedback forum, the link is below here in the description, where you can sign in and give us specific feedback on all of the new capabilities in your own environments. Why aren't we running a public beta? The reason is pretty simple. The beta program is designed for customers and partners who are already familiar with the core capabilities of HCL Notes and Domino, to enable you to test some specific new features and give us real-world feedback on your experiences from the field on those new capabilities. If you're not an existing customer, it's still possible for you to get access to the beta by connecting with one of our digital solutions product specialists in your region, and we'll set you up with a free trial. You can experience this latest release for yourself, and if you don't know who your local digital solutions product specialist is, feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn and I'll put you in touch. New functionality is included in the Domino server on Linux, Windows, System I, and of course as Docker image, and as well as Domino Administrator and Domino Designer, and of course the Notes client itself. A couple of weeks ago, our Domino product manager, Thomas Hampel, announced a summary of the new capabilities. I've included a link to that blog entry below, and I'm going to cover many of these new capabilities coming in Notes and Domino version 12 in a future episode, so we can discuss the benefits that all these new capabilities will bring to your organisation in more detail. Again, the beta is already available for you to download from the HCL software portal. The forums are also ready and available and for your feedback, and the links to the beta forum are all included in the description below. One of the big ticket items in version 12 beta that I really want to call out specifically in this update is the ability for you to try out a brand new client experience for your existing Domino applications. HCL Nomad Web. What's HCL Nomad Web, I hear you ask? Well, some of you are already familiar with the fantastic HCL Nomad mobile client that is currently available on both iOS and Android. The Nomad mobile client gives you the ability to run all of those existing Notes applications in your organisation, no matter how old they are, with absolutely zero code changes on a mobile device. Yep, even if it's an application that contains forms, views, formula language or Lotus script that may have been written decades ago, that app will run on a mobile device with HCL Nomad Mobile, again with zero code changes. Now, we've listened to our customer base, and some of you have asked for the same easy to deploy and manage Nomad experience on a desktop. Enter HCL Nomad Web. HCL Nomad Web is designed to free you from the traditional problems associated with downloading, installing, configuring and managing desktop software. HCL Nomad Web, as its name suggests, is designed to run seamlessly in a web browser with no plugins or extensions required to give you the same Nomad access to your existing applications simply by pointing your web browser to an existing Domino server. Like HCL Nomad Mobile, you need to have configured Domino ID Vault. Domino ID Vault provides the same level of secure access to your existing Domino applications while using HCL Nomad Web. Other than that, you enter a URL or click a link, enter your Notes ID username and password, and that's it. You now have a full client experience, including things like traditional desktop shortcuts, available in a browser, and just like HCL Nomad Mobile, HCL Nomad Web enables your users to access all of your traditional Notes and Domino-based applications in a browser with zero code changes. Nomad Web is also now available in beta, and the link for you to try this out and to give us feedback is included below. Next, I want to talk about something that you are going to be hearing a lot about in the coming weeks. HCL Vault MX. You've already heard about the new low-code capabilities that are included with HCL Domino Vault. These capabilities are designed for your users, your line of business process owners, to quickly create situational applications that address an urgent business requirement quickly and easily through an entirely browser-based user experience. HCL Domino Vault has already proven to be a winner in our existing Domino customer base to address an urgent business requirement for low-code, no-code applications without your users constantly having to hassle your IT or business analysts. Now, I'm going to grossly oversimplify this next statement so that this information is really easy to consume. HCL Vault MX, the MX stands for multi-experience, that is, again, gross oversimplification, the ability to write code once to be able to access it anywhere on any device, desktop, browser, mobile, that breaks many of the constructs, paradigms and restrictions of traditional application development. As I've already mentioned, over the next few weeks you are going to be hearing a lot from us on what HCL Vault MX can do for your business. You're going to hear how you can build an app for any device with one source base. We're going to show you how to deploy beautiful, robust, native mobile apps. We'll show you how to deliver your app without an app store. And we're going to demonstrate how you can leverage integrations ahead of the market curve. And finally, you'll see how Vault MX has a lower total cost of ownership than our competitors, and how we will help you quickly get up to speed and deploy Vault MX apps with free code. At the end of February, we're going to begin a series of webinars that go into the detail of all of these elements. We're going to be conducting sessions targeted for decision makers, for IT, for developers and practitioners, so that each of you can understand the benefits of this platform, how it can help your business in its digital transformation, and importantly, how your technical folks can leverage the technology to quickly build and deploy an entirely new generation of applications. Look out for all of these announcements, and again, the link to the Vault MX landing page is here in the description. Wow, I know that's a lot, but wait, there's more. Do the risk and compliance issues of your employees using public chat applications keep you awake at night? Do you want to be able to chat with any of your employees on any device, or even across multiple devices and experiences easily? Do you want a seamless presence awareness capability that integrates into virtually any desktop or mobile application to see when your employees are available? And do the spiralling costs of your current online meeting provider have you banging your head on the desk every time the bill comes in? I want to close today's session by reminding all of our existing customers about the amazing capabilities of HCL Sametime Premium. HCL Sametime Premium includes persistent one-on-one or group chat capabilities across multiple devices, either independently or simultaneously, with the ability to switch to a call or a video meeting with a single click. And for all of our existing Domino customers, HCL Sametime can do all of this for as little as $1 per user per month. We all know that what working from home means today. Get your costs under control, deploy securely on premises or in the private cloud of your choice. Your meeting, your data, double the value. HCL Sametime Premium, again the link is in the description, and myself or any one of our local digital solutions product specialists would be happy to talk to you about how HCL Sametime Premium, HCL Vault MX, HCL Nomad Web, or the upcoming release of HCL Domino version 12, including the current beta. I know that's a lot of information to cover in this update, and again we'll be digging deeper into these topics over the coming weeks. Thanks so much for giving up your time to hear about all these fantastic HCL software updates. For more details about any of these topics, please click the links in the description. I'm Matt Newman, live from Yellow Central. Thanks for watching.